Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B12E5 indicates an abnormal condition within the electric steering lock connection in the Honda Accord 2023 and later models. This error typically arises when the body control module detects an irregular assembly of the control unit responsible for the electric steering lock system. The electric steering lock system plays a critical role in enhancing the vehicle's security by preventing the steering wheel from moving when the ignition is off. Misalignment or incorrect installation of the body control module can lead to this DTC being triggered, showcasing the importance of proper installation during repairs. Understanding this DTC is crucial for ensuring the vehicle's steering security functionality and addressing any electronic issues that might affect driving safety. An effective diagnosis will contribute to the reliability of the steering system and overall vehicle performance. The DTC B12E5 pertains to an electric steering lock connection anomaly, primarily monitored by the body control module, BCM. The BCM acts as the central unit that communicates crucial information related to the vehicle's electrical systems. It is responsible for detecting the proper functioning of various components, including the electric steering lock. Should there be an incorrect assembly of the control unit associated with the electric steering lock, a BCM will identify this as a fault, triggering the DTC. The electric steering lock is chiefly located near the steering column and is integral for providing security by immobilizing the steering when the ignition is off. This function is especially important for preventing theft and ensuring the vehicle remains secure when parked. Several possible causes can lead to the occurrence of DTC B12E5. First and foremost, an incorrect body control module can be the root cause. This may happen if a different module, not intended for your Honda Accord model, has been installed. Additionally, wiring issues, such as damaged or frayed wires linked to the electric steering lock system, can contribute to this error. Faulty connections can also play a significant role. Where loose or corroded connectors fail to establish proper communication between the body control module and the electric steering lock system. Cumulatively, these issues highlight the need for meticulous inspection of both the body control module and all interconnected wiring and connectors to ensure optimal functionality. Identifying the specific cause is pivotal for effectively resolving the DTC and restoring proper vehicle operation. When DTC B12E5 is triggered, it is often accompanied by several noticeable symptoms. One key symptom is the malfunctioning of the steering wheel lock, which may either fail to engage or disengage properly. This can raise concerns regarding the vehicle's security and its ability to start safely. Additionally, drivers may notice warning lights on the dashboard, signaling issues with the steering lock or related systems. Another significant symptom includes potential engine start issues, where the car might not start due to the electric steering lock failing to recognize the key access. Recognizing these symptoms early on can aid in troubleshooting the issue effectively, ensuring that necessary measures are implemented to maintain vehicle safety and functionality. For the first step in troubleshooting DTC B12E5, utilize the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to select your specific model. This selection is crucial as it ensures that the subsequent diagnostic procedures are tailored to the particular configurations and settings of the Honda Accord. Follow the HDS prompts to verify if the vehicle is equipped with the keyless access system. This verification is essential, as the diagnostic process may slightly vary depending on whether or not keyless access is installed. It is vital to confirm this setting accurately, as any discrepancies could lead to misdiagnosis or ineffective troubleshooting. By ensuring that the correct settings are applied, you lay a solid foundation for the steps to follow in addressing the DTC effectively. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC B12E5, the next action involves pressing and holding the engine start-stop switch button for a duration of at least 2 minutes. This action serves to activate the forced on mode within the HDS diagnostic tool. The forced on mode is a testing state that allows the technician to analyze the vehicle's electrical systems without engaging the engine. By maintaining this pressure on the button, you encourage the BCM and the electric steering lock system to communicate more effectively, permitting the technician to gather relevant diagnostic data regarding the fault. This step is crucial, as it allows for a thorough inspection of the BCM's responses and can reveal pertinent issues that need to be addressed to resolve the DTC. Correct execution of this step ensures you are ready for the subsequent phases of troubleshooting efficiently. After implementing the necessary repairs to address the DTC B12E5, it's imperative to conduct a final verification to ensure all systems are functioning correctly. First, use the HDS to clear the DTC from the power control unit's memory. This step removes any stored fault codes, allowing you to start with a clean slate. Following this, it's essential to recheck all related systems for any remaining or new error codes that might surface. By running these diagnostics, you can confirm that your repairs have effectively resolved the issues related to the electric steering lock system. It's vital to ensure that all systems are functioning optimally, thus restoring the integrity and security of the vehicle. This final verification step is a crucial part of the troubleshooting process, ensuring peace of mind for the driver and verifying reliable performance. Preventive maintenance is key in averting future occurrences of DTC B12E5 within the Honda Accord. Regular inspections of the body control module and its assembly are essential to ensure that no misalignments or incorrect installations can lead to future faults. Wiring checks should be instituted periodically, looking for signs of wear, fraying, or corrosion that can affect connectivity between components. By maintaining clean and secure connections, the possibility of malfunctions can be significantly decreased. Additionally, keeping the vehicle's software up to date through dealership service can help in preemptively addressing potential electronic issues. Such proactive steps not only enhance vehicle performance and safety, but also extend the lifespan of critical components related to the electric steering lock system. In conclusion, understanding DTC B12E5 is pivotal for maintaining the performance and security of the Honda Accord 2023 and later models. The DTC highlights an issue within the electric steering lock system, predominantly linked to the body control module's functionality. Regular inspections and preventive maintenance can significantly improve reliability and prevent recurring faults. The troubleshooting steps, starting from HDS configuration to final verification, are critical to ensuring that the vehicle is restored to its optimal operating condition. By adhering to recommended protocols, automotive technicians can identify and rectify issues effectively, thus reinforcing vehicle safety and functionality. Overall, a thorough understanding and application of troubleshooting practices ensure that Honda Accord owners enjoy a reliable and secure driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.